What up guys, this is Fiat to the Crypto. It's been a long time that I uploaded my last video. Before we're getting started, I hope everyone has a great Christmas and that everyone enjoyed all the Christmas presents and stuff they did. It's been a weird year because we have Corona and COVID, so everyone is in different states at the moment. But the funny part about everything that's going on is that you see all kind of companies go down, like people getting fired and stuff like that. And in cryptocurrency, everything is going fine. It's really insane. Like all the stuff around us is like people are getting fired, they have no job and stuff like that, and the cryptocurrency space is doing fine. I love that. I love that really much. Maybe I'm uploading one more video before the end of the year. Otherwise, I wish you guys a good New Year's Eve, and I hope the best for everyone. And let's hope that cryptocurrency is going to be an amazing year in 2021. We heard a lot of stuff going on. We know that there is a lot going to happen in 2021. It would be the year of cryptocurrency. So I'm curious. I want to know what's going on. That was the introduction that I have for you guys. The reason why I didn't upload for a long time was because I'm really tired, and I'm also busy with all kind of stuff that isn't cooperated to cryptocurrency, but I'm always on the sideline with cryptocurrency. I'm always watching it on my phone, I'm reading the news, I'm trying to keep up to date everything, but I didn't have time to upload videos all the way. So my New Year's resolution would be to upload more videos more frequently, 2 times a week, just like I did before. So I'm going to try and implement it again in my schedule. Yeah, we will see about it. I think it's going to happen pretty fast. So you guys, I know you guys miss me a lot, but I am back and I will upload videos more frequently. So that being said, let's jump into the market because I need to talk a lot about stuff that's going on. The last time I uploaded a video, Bitcoin was around 18k. Yeah, it's already crossed all-time high, so it's insane. The 20k is already being passed like crazy. We are at the moment at 26k. We did manage to get 28k, so we had a bit of a run, and it is insane. Just in a couple of days, Bitcoin reached its all-time high after all-time high. So that's insane to watch. And I love this market so much. It's so volatile. It's going down a lot, but it's going up immensely a lot also. So it's really crazy to see this kind of stuff. So we are going to watch the market, and as you guys see, Bitcoin is still leading the market, of course, and it's such a big choke of stuff going on. Bitcoin gained 17% in 7 days. It's insane, man. It's insane, guys. 24 hours volume is like 40 billion. It's insane how many money is going on. And the total market cap of Bitcoin is at the moment almost 500 billion. And that's insane. That's more than the company Samsung, like the mobile company for your mobile phone, is worth in total. Because they are worth like 480 billion. So Bitcoin is worth more than Samsung. It's insane if you think about it. Ethereum, I think Ethereum is next, because Ethereum is alt season. It's the biggest smart contract platform there is, the ecosystem, and it's not really doing. Yeah, it's also gaining in 7 days 19%. So that's a lot. But I think Ethereum's real bull run needs to start, and it's alt season. It's coming always after that. Bitcoin is going immensely high and crossing all-time highs, then the money will flow inside of the altcoins, and you have an altcoin season. So I think it's going to start pretty soon. I'm going to manage some coins as well. I want to talk about Polkadot, because Polkadot is one of the coins I'm keeping an eye on. It's already been up in the last 7 days for 32%, so that's a lot. Cardano is one of the coins that's really on my mind in the last couple of days. And yeah, you guys heard the news about XRP. I will bring it back on the screen. Coinbase announced it will suspend XRP trading as price drops another 10%. XRP is having a rough time. It's going insane how much is going on in that coin, and I think it's not going well for XRP. I don't want to spread FUD, but if you see all the stuff that's going on around XRP, this is really bad. I think this coin is going to crush like hell, and it's already doing it because it's already down in 7 days for like 57%, and that's insane. That's like half the price is going down in 7 days. That's that's insane, man. So the other coin that I want to talk about is Celsius. Celsius is going mad. I don't know what's going on with Celsius. When you watch closely and everything is going down, Celsius is the only coin that is like up for 75% in 7 days. That's insane. That's immensely high volume. It's insane. Tether also doing fine in this crazy run. Atom, I think Cosmos is one of the coins that I'm going to get inside when I manage to make money in my other projects, because some of the projects are going down a lot and I want to gain momentum to put it inside of another coin. So I'm trying to make the best out of it and trying to swing trade. Swissborg. Swissborg is really doing fine. I have a lot of Swissborg. I've been in it back in the days. I still have an invitation code down below in the description, so if you want to join Swissborg, you can do it with my code in the description and we can get rewards for it, so that's really nice. I love the system, it's doing really great. Let's go to my favorite coin that I'm invested in, and it still is my favorite coin, but it's not doing fine at the moment. But my favorite coin is Ankr. And Ankr is not doing great at the moment. It's being down a lot, but it's being switching between 0.008 and 1 cent, and it's insane how many goes on in Ankr. But the great news about Ankr is they just announced on December 26th that they have reached 30k of ETH staking, and that's insane. That's a lot of ETH that's being staked for staker.io Ankr. And I still think this project is being really undervalued, because Ankr has so much like to do with nodes and stuff like that, and staker.io, it's insane how many they are doing for the community and for the cryptocurrency world in general. So I think this coin is really going nuts. The same is for ONX. There is ONX Finance. This coin is going to give an airdrop to Ankr holders on all kind of platforms, also included Binance. And if you hold 10k of Ankr, you can get 1 ONX for each 10k Ankr. So I'm holding a lot of Ankr, so I'm getting a lot of ONX. I don't know the price of ONX at this point. I'm going to watch it for you guys. ONX Finance is at the moment worth about 0.86 cents. I think it's a really great project because on ONX you can stake Ankr, I guess. So this project is nice. You can see it on the website, ONX airdrop to Ankr holders. So this is really insane. I love the way it works, and I think ONX is a great project. I don't know the total supply. The total supply is 1.7 million. That's pretty darn low, man. I think I'm going to buy some of them, so that I'm in the early days, so when it's going up a lot I can make a lot of money. Yeah, so I am willing to buy this one. I don't know yet, because I am at the moment, just like I said, in some kind of project that are not doing fine. So I'm going to try and gain some momentum in that opportunity, so I can then I'm going to try to get some cash from it, from the project that I'm stuck in, and I'm going to implement it inside of ONX. So that being said, we're going to the other thing I want to show you. I'm in a coin called YFD, and YFD is a community-driven coin, and it's at the moment worth $259 US. And its all-time high was, let's have a look, $455. So that's pretty high. The currently supply is 2,147 tokens, and the total supply is 20k. So that's really low. The market cap total is 815,829 US dollars. So that's also really low. I love this project. If you want to know more about it, go and watch it on their Telegram group. Join the Telegram group, and it's really great. The people are really nice in there. I just made a graph for you guys so you guys can see how it is working out. I draw the lines with yellow color so that you guys can see how stuff working out. As you guys can see, there is something going on. This is the chart of YFD, and if you guys notice, the YFD is bouncing off the yellow line like correctly, just like it does. And at the moment, it's really like going to stand out what's going to do, if it's going to break down or if it's going to break up, because upwards is the more solid move, but if it's going down, then it's going down a lot because it's breaking out of the candle, and that would be really devastating. It's a 1 hour chart, so it's not a 15 minutes chart, it's a 1 hour chart. Also the chart is going nuts on the upside, so I'm hoping for the coin to break out of this trend line, and then the next stop would be over here, because yeah, there could be another stop over here. Wait, I'm going to draw it. There could be a stop over here, because this is a really solid line over here, as you guys can see. As you guys can see, because it's really touching this line of like it's $344. It's really a rough time. You can see the coin is really touching it a lot of times. So I think this is already a solid candle to keep an eye on. So let's hope it's going to break up to the above side, and then it's going to break this trend line and it's moving up. You can't really know it exactly from the moment you see it, but let's hope it's going to go that way. That's the YFD chart. Now we're going to the BTC chart. Like you guys notice, I've already drawn some candles with a yellow color, and to show you guys where the coin is moving. And as you guys can see, it's doing pretty damn good on the downwards line. You can see it's already touching the candles on the right way, and also here it's touching the candles on the right tracks. So it's keeping on that triangle form downwards, and it's now touching the resistance over here, and I think when it's crossing this line, it's going to upward to this level. It can be that they have a little bit of struggle over here, because this is also a struggle point of BTC. So that's on the let me see, $27,338. So maybe it could have a struggle over here, but when it's breaking out of this candle, then it's going upwards for sure. And this is really great to see. Maybe it's going down and a little bit sideways for a couple of days, and then going up, because this is also a 1 hour chart. So the 1 hour chart of Bitcoin, and as you guys can see, it's already touching the line over here. So maybe it's going down again a little bit and then moving upwards, and we hope it's breaking up to the upwards, of course, because when it's breaking down, the next support line would be at $25,886. So that being said, this is like the chart that I'm creating for myself to watch and keep an eye on Bitcoin. Of course, I'm not really that hard into Bitcoin. I'm more of an altcoin person, and the reason why I'm more of an altcoin person is because I love Bitcoin. Bitcoin is really the gold of cryptocurrency, but I think that there is a lot more opportunity to invest in altcoins, because altcoins have more risk but also more reward. So if you know what you're doing and you're investing in the right project that can do great, you need to put in money inside of it, and when the money is going really extremely high, you sell all your stuff and you go inside of another project. It sounds really rough, because yeah, it's like you are only doing it for the money, but that's what investors do, man. We are all in it for the money. That's the whole point. Like the developers always say, like, yeah, but it's all about building and development and stuff like that. But the real people in the community are only inside of it for the money, because when the money is going down, you already see people are whining and people are saying like, oh, the money is going down, and they're going outside of the project. You were never going to see them again. They're going to invest inside of other projects, and when the project is going fine, then people are like really willing to say, yo man, this guy is a really good developer and stuff like that. I hate that shit, man. We are in it for the money. Everyone is in it for the money, even the developers, because there's a lot of money to make inside of the cryptocurrency space. And if you aren't seeing it yet, then you are really living under a rock, because the cryptocurrency space is going nuts. I think this is the best opportunity to make money, especially in 2021. So if you guys want to make any money, more money than you earn when you work or when you're going to work, then you need to do cryptocurrency. This is really my opinion, and that's why I'm balls deep inside of cryptocurrency space, because I think 2021 will be the insane year of cryptocurrency. There was a lot of news coming, and as you guys can see, I just refreshed the price of CoinGecko. Celsius is going up again. It's insane. This coin is going nuts. Zilliqa, last 7 days, 71% gains. So if you bought in on Zilliqa like 10k 7 days ago, you already made 7k, 7.1k, like in 7 days. That's insane. That's in 1 week. You already made 7k coins, 7k dollars in 1 week. In 1 week. If you notice that, like, even if you get 7k dollars in 1 month, it's already extremely high for a salary for someone to work. So, and this is in 1 week, so it's insane, man. I can't stress it enough. I don't know why people are still don't believe that cryptocurrency is the next future. I don't get it. Like, I know it's really, like, it's not that easy. It's for me it seems easy, but for guys like on older age or stuff like that, it's really hard to know what's going on in cryptocurrency. Oh man, would you look at this? Oh my god, Swissborg is going nuts, guys. Swissborg is going nuts. In the last hour, it's gaining 6%, and it's already above 30 cents again. Oh man, I'm stunned about Swissborg, man. It's such a nice project. I love it. I love it. Okay. I want to talk with you guys about something else. I just saw an article that the Turkish lira and the Argentina pesos, the currently the nation currency, is going down a lot, and people are switching from the currency to cryptocurrency, and this is what you're going to see a lot more. When countries are going downwards, if with their national currency, then the stuff is going down, and they're going to put their money inside of something that's more that create more volume. Like, for example, if you have 10k, 100k of pesos in Argentina, it's worth nothing, because when you put it inside of Bitcoin and Bitcoin goes up, then it's going to be worth a lot more. So people are switching their position of fiat money to cryptocurrency, and that's also for the Turkish lira. And Turkish lira is doing really bad at the moment. It's going downwards like hell, and I think this country is going to be doing the same thing and put money inside of cryptocurrency because it's worth a lot more. And as soon as these countries are going to do it more, the cryptocurrency is going to rise again. But the problem is that the national currency is going to move down because people are not using it anymore, and it will not be having the value that it has. That's the problem about the coins, how I see it. Like fiat coins has really fiat coins can really inflate a lot, and cryptocurrency can't, because we already know that there is 21 million Bitcoin in total, and they can be printed more. You can print more Bitcoin. You can't get more Bitcoin. So there's only 21 million Bitcoin. So when all the 21 million Bitcoin is being mined and people have a piece of it, it's going to be worth a lot. It's just like gold. When all when all the gold is being mined in the world, then there is no gold left. So when you have gold, then the volume and the money, the worth of gold is going to be insane, because there is no gold left. And that's the same with Bitcoin. So that's why I love what I love about Bitcoin. And the second thing that I love about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is that you can trade it everywhere around the world. You don't need any bank to involve. You can trade it just like this with someone on the other side of the world. You only have to pay transaction fees, but the transaction fees are really low, so it almost costs second to none. So I really love it, and I like how it goes. This was the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, look at the description for Swissborg, for Binance, for other kind of systems that you can use to invite people, and you can help me benefit from it and yourself. And I see you guys in the next video. Just like I said, keep your eyes open, keep your eye on the market, and see you guys in the next video. This was Fear to the Crypto. Boom!